This ice maker assembly is compatible with several major brands from Whirlpool, Kenmore, Amana, Maytag, KitchenAid, and JennAir. This is a direct OEM replacement for these part numbers. If these are the part numbers you need, this will be compatible. And side note, this part number has been replaced by the other ones. As you would expect, this automatically harvests ice and dispenses it directly into the storage bin. This gives you a consistent supply of ice. In the package you get instructions, a very large cloth, rubber gloves, and the ice maker itself. Thankfully, installation is very simple. It's basically a drop-in process. You connect the electrical cable. Don't forget to power it on. Follow the provided instructions. It's not that difficult, and you'll be making ice in no time.